So what exactly is the difference between Botox and fillers?
So people are just looking at the filters, and I'm so surprised now people are actually coming with these filters and they're asking me, doctor, I want to look like this.
Two terms, gua sha,
Yeah.
right? And then there's this face yoga.
They give you temporary result. I'm so happy that you're asking this question. Nowadays you have people who are just doing a 6 months fellowship and claiming themselves that they are aesthetic physician. You know, these are the treatment can actually, you can, if the laser gone wrong, you can actually develop burns.
Do you sometimes say no to patients when they ask for some unrealistic treatment?
Of course. If somebody is going for a wedding and undergoing a wedding, then we need a long-term plan, because we cannot brush your skin. It doesn't work that way. There is no magic a dermatologist is going to do. It will take time.
Botox will freeze your face. Myth or a fact?
It's a myth. It doesn't freeze your face.
Once you start Botox, you can't stop. Myth or a fact?
See, beauty is addictive.
Aesthetic medicine is only for women. Myth or fact?
You asking that? So I would like to know your skincare at the end of it.
One skincare habit everyone should start today, including myself.
Sunscreen is non-negotiable and it is your best anti-aging.
That's what I do. That's the only thing I do.